Wildlife spotting. A thrilling adventure in the great outdoors. One of the most enchanting aspects of camping in natural settings is the opportunity to observe and connect with the wildlife that calls these areas home. Whether you're exploring a dense forest, traversing a picturesque meadow, or camping near a serene lake, wildlife spotting adds a sense of wonder and excitement to your outdoor adventure. From birds soaring through the sky to squirrels darting between trees and majestic deer grazing in meadows, there's an abundance of fascinating creatures to discover. In this article, we'll delve into the world of wildlife spotting and provide tips to enhance your experience while respecting and preserving the natural habitats. 1. Embrace the power of observation. The key to successful wildlife spotting is to embrace the power of observation. Be patient and attune your senses to the natural environment. Take slow and deliberate steps, minimizing noise and sudden movements that may startle animals. Use your peripheral vision to scan the area, focusing on movement or unusual shapes. Binoculars or a camera with a zoom lens can help you get a closer look without disturbing the wildlife. 2. Learn about the local wildlife. Before setting out on your wildlife spotting adventure, take the time to research and learn about the local wildlife. Familiarize yourself with the species that inhabit the area, their behaviors, and their habitats. Understanding their habits, preferred feeding grounds, and daily routines will increase your chances of encountering them. Field guides, online resources, or local nature centers can provide valuable information about the wildlife in the area you're visiting. 3. Timing and location. Certain times of the day and specific locations offer better opportunities for wildlife spotting. Early mornings and late afternoons are typically the most active times for many animals. During these hours, wildlife is more likely to be out foraging, feeding, or engaging in social interactions. Look for areas with abundant food sources, such as fruit-bearing trees, flowering plants, or bodies of water. Trails near water sources, forest edges, or open meadows are often fruitful locations for wildlife observation. 4. Blend into the environment. To increase your chances of wildlife encounters, it's important to blend into the environment and minimize your impact. Wear clothing that matches the natural surroundings, opting for earth tones and avoiding bright colors. Avoid wearing perfumes or strong scents that may alert animals to your presence. Move slowly and quietly, being mindful of your footsteps and minimizing any disturbances that may disrupt the natural tranquility. 5. Use binoculars and cameras. Binoculars and cameras are invaluable tools for wildlife spotting. Binoculars allow you to observe animals from a distance without disturbing them, while cameras with telephoto lenses enable you to capture stunning photographs of wildlife in their natural habitats. Remember to keep a respectful distance and never approach or disturb the animals for the sake of a photo. Enjoy observing their natural behaviors and capture the beauty of the moment from afar. 6. Be respectful and keep a safe distance. When encountering wildlife, it's crucial to maintain a respectful distance and avoid interfering with their natural behaviors. Respect their space and observe from a distance that allows them to feel comfortable and undisturbed. Remember that wildlife is just that, wild. Appreciate their beauty and observe their actions, but refrain from approaching or attempting to interact with them. It's essential to prioritize their well-being and the preservation of their habitat. 7. Learn to identify calls and sounds. Wildlife spotting isn't limited to visual observation alone. Animals communicate through a variety of calls, sounds, and rustling noises. Learning to identify these distinct sounds can enhance your wildlife spotting experience. Familiarize yourself with the calls of birds, the hooting of owls, or the chirping of insects. By attuning your ears to these sounds, you'll be able to locate animals that may be hidden from view or detect signs of their presence in the surrounding area. 8. Practice ethical wildlife viewing. Ethical wildlife viewing involves respecting and protecting the natural environment and its inhabitants. Avoid feeding wildlife, as this can disrupt their natural feeding patterns and dependency on human sources. It's crucial to follow guidelines and regulations set by the campground or park you're visiting. Understand and respect any restricted areas or designated wildlife viewing spots to minimize disturbances and ensure the continued well-being of the wildlife. 9. Document and share responsibly. If you're lucky enough to capture incredible wildlife moments through photographs or videos, remember to document and share them responsibly. Avoid geotagging or providing specific location details that could potentially disturb or harm the animals or their habitats. Use your media as a means to educate and inspire others about the beauty of wildlife and the importance of conservation. 10. Leave no trace. Last but not least, always follow the principles of leave no trace. Pack out any trash or litter, respect trail markers and boundaries, and avoid disturbing natural habitats. By practicing leave no trace principles, you're contributing to the preservation of the environment and ensuring that future generations can enjoy the wonders of wildlife spotting. Wildlife spotting is a thrilling adventure that allows you to connect with the natural world and gain a deeper appreciation for the diversity of life around us. As you embark on your next camping trip, take the time to observe, learn, and immerse yourself in the beauty of the wildlife that surrounds you. Remember to be patient, respectful, and responsible in your interactions, allowing these incredible creatures to thrive undisturbed in their natural habitats. Camping is our happy place.